Good morning. I'm Matt Jaster, Senior Editor at Power Transmission Engineering, and I'm here this morning with Meikel Quaas from Diequa. Welcome.
Good morning.
Could you explain some of the advantages of the Sesame Series planetary gearheads?
Well, we actually have two products here, as you saw in our booth. One of them is the Sesame planetary gearheads. The unique thing about the Sesame product is its overall breadth of what's offered.
Okay.
There are, in this case, there are 7 performance levels, and within those we have multiple precision levels with regard to backlash. So they're right angle designs, they're inline designs, and so forth. And what we really like about this product offering is that it is European quality in terms of ISO certifications and many other certifications, but with incredibly competitive price points.
Okay.
And then on top of that, we have a rather large inventory because, as you well know, in the automotive world right now, everybody needs things yesterday. So we have quite a bit of inventory so we can react to those kind of very, very short lead times.
Okay. Describe the unique design characteristics of the Spinia Twin Spin series.
Spinia is the other product that we have in there, and those are cycloidal gearboxes. And quite frankly, to try to explain how a cycloidal works without having one is exceedingly difficult. So really the main thing to understand about a cycloidal is it is absolute precise motion. So true zero backlash. There's no slop in these things. And the reason for that, or the reason why that's important, is that for a certain application like robots, for instance, they have to always, from a repeatability standpoint, come to the exact same place. Or if they go over top dead center, they can't clunk, you know, which you would see kind of a play in a different type of gear technology.
Okay.
So they're super precise. And here in the automation world, we realize that there's a lot of people that require that kind of precision. So we wanted to bring those to the show here and kind of show them. They're also available in a variety of different sizes, different configurations. And interesting thing for this particular program is they have the absolute smallest cycloidal gearbox on the market. They go down to about a 50 millimeter diameter. Nobody else does that.
Okay. Are there any other additional advantages?
Well, yes, they have they're extremely torque dense, meaning they're very, very small packages. And you can transmit an incredible amount of torque to them. You know, a comparable technology are a flex spline type gearbox.
Okay.
And in the same size, physical size, we can transmit double the amount of torque. Typically, it's in the flex spline. So in smaller applications where you need a lot more torque, that's the perfect type of product to have. Very high tilting moment capacity, very high radial load capacity. So they're a very rugged product.
Okay. Give us a little background on Diequa as a company in 2018.
Well, our focus is to be the mechanical experts for the automation engineers. What we have found is that most of the people making the major decisions about design usually have an electrical background because that's where all the programming, sensors, and all that kind of stuff come in. And what we've also found is that those folks generally don't have a lot of mechanical background. And so they'll just go what they think is what they know, and most of the time they don't know what they don't know is what we found. So we want to be their mechanical experts. So that's really our focus, is to bring mechanics into the world of automation.
Okay. How will Diequa meet the motion control needs of its customer base in the future?
By being accessible. We do a tremendous amount of work training our inside staff and training all of our outside staff to be as knowledgeable about the products that we have. And we have 7 different major product groups that we are trying to bring to bear to the world of automation. And that's an awful lot for anybody to try to understand. And, you know, most people have one particular product that try to become experts in, and we have 7. So really that's how we're trying to focus. We have really, really highly educated guys that work with our customers to make sure that they get what they need and what makes the most sense for them.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time this morning, Michael.
Good, great. Thanks a lot.
If you want to learn more information, log on to www.powertransmission.com/TV.